Hi everyone, my name is Marita. I am a part of the collegiate ambassador team here, that's the CAT team, a part of Johnson & Wales University. We are a team of students that are tour guides. We do tours for the school. We also help run big events at our school. Today we actually have open house going on, so I'm going to take you through a little behind the scenes tour of what it's like to work as a CAT during open house, show you everything about open house, the different opportunities that you can have here, seeing the different colleges and programs that we offer. So I'm excited to take you through the day with me, and let's head on out. So rain or shine, open house is still happening. We're outside of Bowen and starting to check in right now with Barbara and Adriana, just getting ready, and students welcome for open house. Once you arrive, you will be guided to go into the Bowen Center lobby, and that is where you will check in for open house. We have an assortment of refreshments. We have donuts and some egg bites, some fruit, you know, get all that energy ready for the big day of open house. We just finished doing the little breakfast warm-up. Now we're actually going to go to our presentation now. The Assistant Director of Admissions is going to talk and give a presentation, as well as the Assistant Provost, so I'll get a couple videos of that. Then it's going to be open style format, so College of Business will be open, College of Hospitality, all the colleges will have little open house areas, and you can kind of pick and choose which colleges you want to go to. So I'll be showing you guys the College of Hospitality and Business and Arts and Sciences, so you can kind of see what to expect if you come to an open house. So this is when open house really takes a kickoff. Right here we're in Schneider Auditorium, which is in our Xavier building. And this is the Assistant Provost talking. He is actually a JWU alum. He talks about some stories of going here as a student, as well as Amanda, who is the Assistant Director of Admissions at JWU. After their little presentation happens, CAT students will lead families out based on what college you're interested in. So if you're in the College of Business, you'll leave with them, and then they will take you to the college where the presentations are happening. You don't have to go straight to the college if you want to actually go on tour next and get to discover the school a little bit more. That's what you can do, and that's where I'm about to go. Now the presentation's done, and it's kind of choose your own adventure way now. So we have students going on tours, we have students visiting their colleges. I actually have met a student, she's a SEAM student, and she is here for open house. She's a prospective student, and I'm just going to have her talk to you about why she wanted to do open house. So Miranda?
I think it was a good opportunity to get to know some of the professors here and get a feel for the program itself, so that's kind of why my interest lied in coming here today.
Awesome, yeah. No, I'm excited for you to see the school, and this is an awesome opportunity. If you are questioning about coming to school, you don't know if this is the right fit for you, it's definitely, you can get the vibe of the campus during open house. So I'll be filming a little bit of the tours and then showing you some of the colleges, and then heading on over to Harborside.
I'm going to be a tour guide. I'll quickly introduce myself. So my name is Emily. I am a senior here studying criminal justice with a minor in psychology. I am also...
Alright, after my tour, it's now time to go visit some of those colleges. I started off with hospitality management, where the dean gave a presentation just talking a little about more what hospitality management is, how there's travel and tourism, how there's event management, just different paths that you can take within the hospitality route. Then I headed upstairs and went to the College of Business, and they had a little swag area. You can get some stickers, some phone wallets, some nice things to add to your phone. And the Dean of Business talked, giving a similar presentation to the College of Hospitality Management, exploring the different majors that we offer and getting a little bit more in depth of what the College of Business is all about. Then I walked over to Pepsi Forum for the College of Arts and Sciences. This was more of an open format. We had tables for each major, so you can talk to the specific departments that you were interested in.
I think there's any substitute for coming in person to meet professors, meet students, and hear more about the programs that you're interested in.
So I'm done on the Downcity campus. I'm only visiting those 3 colleges because I got to make it over to Harborside to get some Harborside people some loves, and so you can see some of the culinary aspects of our school. So I'm going to be heading over there now. When you come to open house, it is highly encouraged of you to actually participate on both campuses. So if you Ubered here, like don't have a car, we actually have bus services shuttling you there. I'm just going to hop in my car real quick just because I got to get there before everything wraps up. So I hope you enjoy the Downcity portion and stay along if you want to see what happens on Harborside.